Check out this exciting video tutorial where you'll discover how the oscillation of a pendulum creates a periodic wave and learn the fundamentals about waves. Now, let's consider this pendulum is oscillating back and forth, or side to side, while moving in one direction, like towards you. As you can see, this motion creates a periodic wave. Let's observe this animation to simplify my explanations. The wave propagates to the right, previously it was towards you, and the pendulum bob is moving up and down when viewed from above. The pendulum motion has changed the viewing reference for a better explanation. Let's see what we can measure from this periodic wave. The amplitude is the vertical displacement from its equilibrium position to its highest point or lowest point. The farther the pendulum is from the equilibrium position, the higher its amplitude. The wavelength is the distance between two consecutive points in phase, such as the distance between two consecutive peaks or troughs. The period of a wave t is the time it takes for one complete wave cycle to pass a given point. The frequency is the number of wave cycles that pass a given point per unit of time, usually in seconds. The frequency is the inverse of the period. Since the wave is moving in one direction at a constant rate, we can calculate the speed of the wave using the speed formula. The wave moves in a repetitive pattern. Let's consider the wavelength as distance and the period as time. The speed of a wave is the product of its wavelength and frequency. Did you find this short video tutorial on the fundamentals of waves helpful and want more content like this? Share your thoughts in the comment section and thank you for watching.